Electrical Machine 2, Subject Code EX501, Unit 1, DC Machine Part 1, Method of Excitation. In this lecture, we are going to see various methods of excitation in DC machine. A DC machine can work as an electromechanical energy converter only when its field winding is excited with direct current. This direct current produces magnetic flux, and when armature conductors or coil interact with magnetic flux produced by the field winding, then the EMF is generated in the active region of the armature coil called conductors. The symbol for various types of DC machine that represents armature is a circle having vertical brushes onto its surface, and the terminals are named as A and AA, representing the armature part of the machine. This symbol will be utilized in understanding the various connections used for classifying methods of excitation. A DC machine can only work as electromechanical energy conversion device when its field winding is excited by DC current, except for small DC machines employing permanent magnets. There are, in general, two methods of exciting the field winding of DC machines: separate excitation and self excitation. In order to understand the separate and self excitation, the field winding can form series and shunt connections with the armature. Therefore, the DC machine may have one or more field winding, and their method of excitation determines the performance characteristics of the DC machine. Separate excitation. The separately excited field winding consists of several hundreds of tons of fine wire and is connected to a separate or external DC source. The voltage of the external DC source has no relationship with the armature voltage. that is the field winding energized from a separate supply, can be designed for any convenient voltage. Self-excited can further be classified into series excitation, shunt excitation, and compound excitation. When the field winding is excited by its own armature, the machine is said to be self-excited DC machine. In these machines, the field pole must have a residual magnetism so that when the armature rotates, a residual voltage appears across the brushes. This residual voltage should establish a current in the field winding so as to reinforce the residual flux. The series excitation contains series field winding. The field winding consists of a few turns of thick wire and is connected in series with the armature. In other words, the series field current depends on the armature current, and in view of this, a series field may be called a current operated field. Shunt excited, self-excited shunt DC machine. The field winding consists of a large number of turns of fine wire and is connected in parallel or in shunt with the armature. Therefore, the voltage across the terminals and the shunt field is the same, and it is for this reason that a shunt field may be called voltage operated field. Remember that the series and shunt field windings are characterized by low and high resistance respectively. Compound excitation. A compound excitation involves both the series excited winding and shunt excited winding. In some applications, a shunt excited winding may be replaced by a separately excited winding. If the series field flux aids the shunt field flux so that the resultant air gap flux per pole is increased, the machine is called a cumulatively compounded DC machine. As shown in the figure. If the direction of arrows corresponds to the direction of magnetic flux produced by the shunt and series field winding, and if the arrows are in the same direction, the machine is called cumulatively compounded DC machine. In case the series field flux opposes the shunt field flux so that the resultant air gap flux per pole is decreased, the machine is called differentially compounded DC machine. From the viewpoint of connections, a DC compound machine may have short shunt connection or long shunt connection. In short shunt connection, the shunt field or Voltage excited winding is connected across the armature terminals. In long shunt connections, the field winding is connected across the machine or line terminal as illustrated.